Welcome back guys with new video. In this video I will talk about right join. What is right join? Right join does the opposite of left joins. Right means it returns all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table it will return. Right means same, it's return the right table's whole data, and if it is matching some data means index number to the left table, it will return of that. So for that we have a two tables. Select from my marks, this one is the first table, and I select from student. Okay, I have a two table, student and my marks. Select, I'm joining it. Select my marks dot marks, right, and student dot or student dot name, right, that's it. Or from where from we are accessing from my marks, and right join, right join applying here. Where applying here? Student table. This is student, now it's right join. So right join means Ravi, Sita, Aman. These are the name will come, and after that index number, if it is matching from the my marks, then that data also you will get. Means that data means what data you want. Means here are my marks. Means we are trying to access the marks here. So you will get the marks of index all the data that matches here. Okay, means that return you when your data it matches. Okay, so let's move on the my marks my marks dot the student dot id. The table name should be matched to the student dot student table, student id, right? This will give the your, now this is the join, your right join. Let's hit the enter. Now you can see here the whole data you are getting from the right table. Right table means here, this one is right table name, and name is Ravi, Sita, Aman. Three data are available. Three index are also in the marks table. So here you can see here three marks index number also, and three both are matching. That's why the marks also, the name returning here the same. That's why if you want, this is the, now this is the right join, right, means this is the student a right join. Right join all the data has here, and left also. Okay, if you want some another data, like if you want the marks and the subject also, then you can also, let's see. Select my marks dot marks, right, student, right, dot name. I want to guess, I want to fetch from the table, and also my marks table we need the subject, right, we need subject also here. So subject, you have to write just subject, and from there you are accessing to it, means from which table you are making the uh, right table, right. So here marks is right table, right. So uh, marks table name is what you, that my marks. Okay, table name is my marks, and my marks on, we have to write here right join. Okay, student, what is the right join? Student is a right join. From this table it is joining this table. So here you can write on the my marks I student my marks dot student id equal, right, student dot student id, right. This is the way of writing the syntax of right join. When you hit the here when you hit enter, you will find the marks name and subject also. Let's see. Here you can see the total marks 85, 78, 90, and a name and a subject. Why all the three data is getting? Because your data are also three, means 1 2 3 1 2 3 is matching same, so that's why it's giving to you the whole data that you want. So this is the right join.